Pakistan and the sea, aquatic life and Homo sapiens. As blue waters turn black, Pakistan can do more to halt the degradation of its marine environments. Pakistan is facing right now is environmental degradation. This not only depletes Pakistan's resources but is also affecting human life adversely. The environment of Pakistan is being degraded in several ways, one of which is oceanic pollution. The world-famous shipbreaking industry in Gidani is the main source of discharging heavy metal impurities into the sea. Karachi has many industrial zones but is deficient in proper waste management systems. The hazardous industrial waste eventually finds its way into the sea. The fish and other marine life swallows small particles of metals, plastic, and toxic substances. Completing the food chain, these fish are eaten by humans and the toxic substances can severely damage their immune systems. In other words, humans are bringing death to themselves. Increasing dumping of hazardous waste, including cow dung, untreated water, and industrial waste, and a large quantity of plastic into the sea is severely affecting the fisheries resources, which in turn negatively impacts the economic conditions of fishing communities highly dependent on these resources. According to research conducted by WWF, 65% of the litter on the coastal areas consists of plastic bottles, wrappers, bags, disposable utensils, etc. The government should encourage the construction of treatment plants and punish non-abiding industries with heavy penalties. The money generated by this initiative can be used for environment-friendly projects. Pakistan is facing an existential threat from environmental degradation. It is not the government's responsibility alone to tackle these issues. All the citizens of Pakistan need to play their role in taking care of the sea. Pakistanis can take responsibility at the individual level and play a part by not throwing away waste at the coast and into the sea. They must bring out the best out of themselves to preserve the natural environment. Pakistan is party to a number of international conventions and treaties for protection of the environment and biodiversity. Under the obligations of these treaties and agreements, Pakistan has vowed to protect its marine environment as well. Despite being part of the London Convention on the Prevention of Marine Pollution by Dumping of Wastes and Other Matter, Pakistan throws all sort of waste into the sea, including plastic bags, bottles, sewage, and potentially infectious hospital waste. Due to this large-scale violation of the convention, the natural blue-colored water at the famous tourist point in Karachi, Sea View, has turned black. The world is discarding billions of tons of plastic into the oceans, and to your surprise, Pakistan is among the top countries contributing to this pollution, according to UN report.